This is a refreshing, creamy, tangy, savory, light dish that you can have at home. This is called Liang Mian. Hey guys, welcome to Flavour Fridays. My name's Ryan, and now we're gonna head to boil the noodles. So you just have to boil them for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and then after that, you blanch it in cold water and rinse it through to make it nice and cold, because this is gonna be a cold dish. So now what we're gonna do is cut the garnish, which is cucumber and carrot. So what you wanna do is cut the top off, and then you wanna cut like your index finger length here. Just make a marking and then cut it through like that. And then what you wanna do is cut them into nice slices. Don't worry about the seed. It's not gonna really affect the dish. It's more for the garnish. Once you cut it into slices, this is my very happy moment, is where I line them up in one line, and then we will cut them into nice strips. And then you will do the same with the carrot. Again, we're gonna do the same trick with the carrot. This is literally something you can show off to your friends and family to show that your knife skills are amazing. And once you finish chopping, what you wanna do is grab some water and then just submerge it in some water. This is just cold water. So basically, when you submerge it in water, it will just help retain that freshness of the vegetable, but also retain the crunchiness as well. Now I just rinsed these noodles. So these are egg noodles, but typically we just use wheat noodles. And in Taiwanese hawker stores or vendors, what they do is they will sell it in a plastic bag. But we're not that kind of people. We're gonna serve it in a nice bowl. All right, and time to make the sauce. So this sauce is a sesame-based sauce. So what we're gonna use is sesame paste. If you don't have sesame paste, you can always use peanut butter, that's fine. But traditionally, we'll use sesame paste. They are very thick, as you can see, but we're gonna use all of that. This is around 5 to 6 tablespoons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whisk some cold water in. Don't use hot water because it may affect the taste of the sesame paste. That's around 3 tablespoons, and then slowly whisk it. You can see that my sauce is very thick from the sesame paste. So that's why we're gonna add a little bit more water to loosen it up. All right, once you've done your whisking, so basically your consistency should be like double cream, like store-bought when you buy, nice and thick. So you can see over here, it's really glossy looking. If you can draw like a figure 8 on it, that means it's thick enough. So now you can add in your other components. So we're gonna season it with a little bit of sugar, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add the soy sauce. That's gonna give it some color. That's around 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna squeeze 1 lime in. And then we're gonna whisk. Once we're happy with the flavor, you can see that it's getting looser and looser. The reason why we want it a little bit thicker in the beginning, so that it doesn't get too loose. So you can see it's nice and glossy. And then now I'm gonna have a little taste. Damn, that's good. But I think it still needs a little bit more lime. Traditionally, you will use black vinegar, but with me, I would like to use a little bit more fresher ingredients. So lime is a very good substitute. Mix that in. I'm just gonna have a taste one last time. Ooh, I'm very happy with the taste. And now we're gonna add some sesame seed. You don't have to toast this, it's fine, because it's like a cold salad-ish. Add it in, it's quite a bit of sesame, around 3 tablespoons. Whisk that in, and then it's time to plate. Basically, what we wanna do is put some sauce on top of the noodles, just to give it some nice color, and just to kind of season it through. So I'm putting quite a generous amount. Of course, we can add a little bit of chili oil to dress it up, just to make it nice, vibrant color. But I've already ate too much spicy food lately. I want to tone it down with this beautiful salad. So what you want to do at the end, take your carrots, put it on top of your plate, and your cucumber. So this is a very classic dish in Taiwan. This is one of my mom's favorite and my brother's favorite. So I'm just, one last thing, just gonna do a nice sauce at the side, and that's it. This is the dish, Liang Mian. All right, now it's time to taste. So the first thing is you want to mix everything together with the cucumber and the carrot. Once you mix everything together, you want everything in one single bite. That's good. It's so delicious, very creamy, very sesame, and a little tang from the lime. And basically when you mix the vegetable together, it's like a very light, refreshing salad. A noodle salad, of course. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite noodle salad? And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful recipe that I made. Beloved mama recipe. And hope to see you next time.